Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Botany Now. This is Jyotirmay Nanda. In the series number 5, we have discussed the unique species and its category. In this series, we will start the important dates related to biology. I hope you all like this video. So don't forget to like, share and comment in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. First is Doctor's Day. India celebrates Doctor's Day on 1st July. This world has become a better and healthier place to live in with doctors who bringing joy of health and goodness to our lives. So, in honor of the birth and death anniversary of great physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, India celebrates Doctor's Day. Then, Blood Donation Day. The Blood Donation Day is observed on 14th June. The theme of Blood Donation Day is Save Blood, Saves Lives. So, give blood and make the world a healthier place. The idea of Blood Donation Day is to focus on the contribution an individual giver can make to improve health for others in the community. Then, Vana Mahotsav. Vana Mahotsav is celebrated on first week of July, that is from 1st July to 7th July. It was started by K.M. Munshi in 1950, the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food at that time. The aim was to create awareness in the mind of the people for conservation of forest and planting of new trees. It is also known as Festival for Tree Plantation. Then, International Day for Biological Diversity. This day is celebrated on 22nd May. For raising global awareness about the importance of protecting biological resources and the global biodiversity that saves our environment, on 22nd May, International Day for Biological Diversity is celebrated. Then, International Women's Day. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March. The theme of International Women's Day for 2020 is I am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Right. This day is dedicated to celebrating women's achievement in the social, economic, cultural and political spheres. Then, National Farmers Day. National Farmers Day is observed on the date 23rd December, on the birthday of the 5th Prime Minister of India, Chaudhary Charan Singh. The day is celebrated to promote awareness among the citizens of the country to understand the importance of contributions of the farmers to the society and the overall economic and social development of the country. Then, National Pollution Prevention Day. This day is observed on the date 2nd December in the memory of people who lost their lives in Bhopal gas calamity. Many people died due to poisonous gas methyl isocyanate on this day. So, for the remembering of this day, National Pollution Prevention Day is observed. National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February. This day was celebrated to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect by the great Indian physicist C.V. Raman on February 28. National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th January on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. The theme of International Youth Day 2020 is Youth Engagement for Global Action. Seeks to highlight the ways in which the engagement of young people at local, national and global level. Then, World Animal Day. World Animal Day is observed on 4th October. It is observed to create awareness about the protection of animals all over the world. Then, World Conservation Day. It is celebrated on 28th July. It is observed to remind humankind about the importance of nature and the need to protect the nature. The day encourages people to save and protect Earth's natural resources that are fast depleting owing to over-exploitation and misuse. Then, World Diabetes Day. On 14th November, World Diabetes Day is celebrated. The theme is family and diabetes. It is observed to promote the role of the family in the management, care, prevention and education of diabetes. Then, World Forest Day. The World Forest Day is celebrated on 21st March. The theme is forest and biodiversity. This day is observed to raise the awareness of the importance of all type of forest. Then, World Earth Day. The theme of World Earth Day is climate action, and this day is celebrated on 22nd April. It is celebrated to demonstrate support for environmental protection. Then, World Health Day. The World Health Day is observed on 7th April. It is celebrated to raise global awareness of a specific health theme to highlight a priority area of concern for the World Health Organization, that is WHO. And the theme is support nurse and midwives. Then, World Ozone Day. On 16th September, World Ozone Day is observed. It is celebrated for the preservation of the ozone layer, commemorating the date when the Montreal Protocol on the substances that deplete ozone layer was signed in 1987. Then, World Tuberculosis Day. This day is observed on 24th March. The theme of World TB Day is It's Time. In this date, Dr. Robert Koch announced his discovery of Mycobacterium tuberculosis that causes tuberculosis. To commemorate this date, it is observed. Then, World Water Day. World Water Day is observed on 22nd March, and the theme is water and climate change. It focuses on the importance of fresh water, and it is about taking action to tackle the global water crisis. Then, World No Tobacco Day. It is observed on 31st May to draw global attention to the tobacco epidemic and preventable death and disease of causes. Then, World Environment Day. It is observed on 5th June. The theme is Celebrate Biodiversity to stimulate worldwide awareness of the environment and enhances political attention and action. It promotes ways to improve the earth environment such as conserving forest. The question of today's lecture is National Science Day is observed in. The options are 28th February, 3rd October, 29th December and 27th February. Dear students, please give the correct answer of this question in the comment box.